In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Smart Reply feature in Gmail. Smart Reply is an incredibly useful tool designed to help you save time by suggesting quick, short responses to emails. It's perfect for those moments when you're juggling multiple tasks, yet still want to maintain prompt communication. So, whether you're responding to a meeting invite or just giving a quick approval, Smart Reply can make your email routine more efficient. First off, you need to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, keep an eye on the main inbox screen. When you open an email, you'll notice across the bottom of the email message window several suggested responses. These are Gmail Smart Reply options, tailored to fit the context of the conversation. The suggestions appear as buttons, showcasing responses that are typically concise yet contextually appropriate, aiming to save you precious minutes with just one click. To use Smart Reply, simply click on one of the suggested responses. If any of the options offered fit the message you want to convey, clicking it will place the text directly into your reply window, making it ready for you to send. It's important to remember that these suggestions use machine learning to generate responses, so the more emails you respond to, the smarter and more relevant your options will become. Now, you might find that none of the suggestions are exactly what you're looking for. In that case, you still have the conventional reply option. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the email and click Reply to type your own unique message. If you find yourself not using Smart Reply or if you prefer to disable it for any reason, it's a quick fix. Begin by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Gmail screen and select See All Settings. Head over to the General tab. Here, you'll find the Smart Reply toggle switch. If you want to turn it off, simply select the Smart Reply Off option, and make sure you scroll down and save your changes. This will prevent Smart Reply suggestions from appearing in your inbox until you decide to enable them again. Before we wrap up, remember that while Smart Reply is fantastic for quick replies, it's always beneficial to personalize your communication when needed, especially for detailed inquiries or formal conversations. This keeps your emails personable and tailored to your specific recipient's needs. And there you have it. You now know how to use the Smart Reply feature in Gmail. With just a few clicks, your email management can become more streamlined and efficient. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Be sure to experiment with it and see how it can simplify your email tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.